Setting up a store can be exciting, but you might not want your personal home address displayed to the whole world. Shopify requires you to have a physical address for billing and legal reasons, but displaying it publicly is often not required unless you have a physical retail location. The good news is you can usually remove it from your online storefront without breaking the terms of service, as long as you keep your business email and other contact methods visible. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to the Settings tab located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you are in the Settings panel, click on Customer Accounts. This section controls your checkout process, but it also houses a crucial contact setting. You are not looking for the store details page just yet. Instead, we need to check how your checkout is configured. Here, ensure that the login options are set according to your preference, but the key fix is actually inside the checkout settings linked at the top of this contact page. Click on Checkout in the Customer Accounts section or find Checkout directly under the Settings menu. Scroll down until you locate the Order Processing section. There is an option here labeled Shipping Address Phone Number. While we are looking for a physical address, this area controls the visibility of contact information during the order. But the real magic for hiding the storefront address is in a different spot. Navigate back out, and this time go into the Store Details settings. Under the Store Details section, you will see your address listed as the business address. Right below the address fields, look for a checkbox that says Show Business Address on your online store. Simply uncheck this box. Click Save, and your street address will instantly disappear from your storefront footer and contact page. Remember that this only hides the address from customers. It does not remove your legally required address from your billing invoices or from the admin backend.